Previously we were creating the header using WordPress, and I told you my favorite theme was Portal. You see, we came up with a header, and let's just dive to the next video where we are going to create a footer, a bare minimum footer, whereby it is going to have like about hours, services, working hours. You can put here that working services and then the services and all that, so that you can have a good look and feel of your website. So guys, continue subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that like button before we open the next page. So take this 1, 2, 3 seconds and then subscribe. Okay, subscribe to that red button and then cheers. So guys, it has been a minute. Let's go back to, so first, this is a WordPress. Go to dashboard, and it is a portal design. So guys, on the portal we have the portal option layout, where you can design all that. So what you're going to do is you're going to portal, and then you're going to theme builder. So theme builder holds all those functions. You can create a header, you can create a footer, and so basically with portal it comes with all the blocks. You can decide to create the blocks for each and everything, but right now we just want to create a block for footer, and we are using none other than WordPress, and we are using a theme portal, and at the same time we are using some okay, this is going to be version 2. Let's say I want to make a dark theme, so it will be called dark footer. Okay, sorry, builder name, it's going to be a footer, and then I'm going to select a footer. It's going to be a dark footer. So this is the way. Okay, I just remembered a video for Mandalorian. So guys, this is the way. So because we are using page builder, we can just go ahead and use the dark. Let me just take you through the process of the back end editor and the front end editor. So you have more control when you are using a back end editor. So you just click on that back end editor. So let me take you through the process of, okay, these are some of the common features you are going to use first. So in the dark on the editor, so we have elements, and this element represent a lot of functions. So you just click on add element. So all these things are there. If you want to have rows, so basically in editing mode we have the rows and columns and all that. So basically you have to understand the concepts of rows and columns. So rows, you want to have a straight, let's say you want to have a straight line in comparison. Let's say you want your information to be on a single row. Guys, I'm taking you back to school. So basically you have a single row, and then you can also have like 2 rows. I'm taking you through the design process. Maybe you want to have a 2 row, or you want to have a 3 row, or so basically you can do that, and you can change that. If you want a 3 row, you can just select 3 row. You can see it has first and the second and the third, and this has 2 rows. So basically, let's say you want to change the background. So you're going to hit on that side, on that pen. Let me call it a pen. Yes, that pen, and then you're going to give it a design option, and then you're going to give it a color. Okay, you can give it a color like a dark theme. Okay, so the trick here is when you have a a dark background, your content must be light. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. And then on that plus, we're going just to put some text, save, and then I'm just going to duplicate so that you are able to see what is happening. Then you duplicate. I've just duplicated 3 items, okay, to look good. So with that, I just want to ensure that we have a dark theme at the basically you have a dark background. So we're going to select background color, which is going to be a dark theme. Let me just pick one of these colors. Yeah, that is like bluish, okay, something like that, and then you can publish it. So basically, to preview what you are doing, you need to have like, okay, the reason why we developers have 2 screens is because we want to preview. You want to see what you are doing on the other side, of the screen, and then this other side of the screen. As you can see, the text is it is light and the background is dark, and then you can still push that code on the live website. So basically you can do that. So basically you have the text, it is dark but it's not visible enough, so you can go back to that text block setting, and then on the design option, not really on the design option, you can change the color. You can decide to change the color of that text. Hope it has that feature. Let me just save it first. That it can be saved. I think it can be saved on the text color on the global portal. Okay, text color for that. But we can use like headings. We can add headings here because we had something in mind. Remember, you must, as a developer, you also have to have a reference to what you are doing. So basically we want to have contactors. Let's say we are going to have the first column is going to be of contactors, and then second column social media or something like that, and then the third media. Because me, I'm doing it, I've done it for several times, but at the same time you also have to have a reference point. The reference point is this website. Let me say this is the reference point. So it is going to be about us, services, working hours, and social media. So basically that is what we are going to reference to, and then that is what we are going to have. So we are going to have heading, custom heading, portal custom heading. I love portal custom heading, and this is going to be about us, about us. I'm going to have that, and then I'm just going to shift position, and then I'm just going to duplicate 3 times, so that I'm going to move that side and then the other side, and then I'm just going to give it some change, and then just changing that. Okay, so this one is going, let's say we are going to have social media, connect us on social media, connect us on social. Okay, social, connect us on social. And then the last bit is useful links. Let's call it useful links. Useful links. Okay, let's just give it at that. And then so basically you are going to have about us, connect with us, and then useful link. With the, I told you with the elements, those elements you can add anything. You can add Facebook like, you can add image gallery, so you can, whatever you want to use, you will find it here on the elements. So basically we want to have social media display. Okay, so you can have that, and then you can specify the font size. Let's give it at 24, and then you just save, and then you can put it just below that, and then I can just remove that, and then about us, and then useful links. This you can decide to create a menu, or you can decide to write a simple menu. This is going to be a list. Let's say home, about us, about us, and then contact us, contact us. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to put them into either bullet. Yeah, give it a bullet. At the same time, you're going to link that. So basically you have to link that to specific links. Okay, so I'm just showing you how you're going to do it, and then you can handle it yourself. At the same time. Yeah, so basically that's the way you put a link. You can select a link from somewhere, and then you can just put it that way. Control, and then you add a link. So basically this is just a ref link, just like that, and then I can decide to bolden everything. Okay, just bold that, and then you save changes, and then you update. For the 5 seconds, the 30 seconds that we have had, we have come up with a website footer, and you can decide to do this. So basically, as you can see, the text, something that is not now coming up in a very structured way. You can see the title is on the center. So the only thing you can do, you're going just to align these texts, all these texts to the left. Okay, so that is what really remains. So you're going to, on the portal side, on the portal header, and then you're just going to align each text, align to the right. I think it's the right. Sorry, I'm a lefty guy, so those left and right sometimes it's a mess to me. But the way you place it is the way. What you see is what you get. So guys, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and we are coming to the end of creating menus with the portal on WordPress. As you can see, I have updated that, and when you reload, your page footer will look like that. And if you want to put this footer now to the website, right? So basically this is, you have created a block of footer. Okay, this is a block of footer. Okay, so you're going to go to theme options. Blocks, HTML blocks. Okay, and then as you can see, this footer is the previous footer was 59. You're just going to put that block there, because each footer, as you can see, theme blocks, they are called the blocks. Okay, those blocks, let me just go to it right away. So basically I'm going to open that page. At the same time, I'm just going to go back to that page quickly. You can still customize, right? You can portal builder. I think it's portal builder. Going to get back to portal builder, and then dashboard. I'm sorry, it wasn't supposed to take that long. Portal, yeah, template builder, and then you're going to find the code. Okay, that portal builder, this is the code, short code for it, the short code that you are required, short code for that WordPress site, and then you're that short code for the footer, and then you're going just to put that footer, the dark footer, to that. So basically it was just for demonstration purpose, and then it will change this footer to the one that we have shown. Okay, so this footer is going to be a dark footer. So guys, I'm really grateful that we have had this wonderful time. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Zach Anime Studios, your channel number one for graphic design, coding, and animation. I salute you, and always peace. And remember to subscribe to our channel, and thanks a lot, friends. See you on the next video.